Good day, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel once again. Noble Creative Digital Marketing Agency. Trust you're doing good. If yes, then glory be to God Almighty. And as you're watching this video, don't forget to like the video, to comment, to share, and also subscribe for more to get more updates from me. So in today's teaching, I'll be teaching you how to design a simple birthday flyer I did for my sister. So without wasting much of our time, let's start. So the very best thing I used to do is to bring out my background. So you click on these three dots you are seeing in your right hand side. You use image from gallery. Click on it. So I'm going to bring out, this is my background I want to use. So you delete this one, then change the size of the image to 1 to 80, 1 to 80. That is a custom size for it. So the next thing you have to do now is to bring out image from gallery. So you click on your plus button, then you use image from gallery. So I'll be checking the image where the image is. So the image is around somewhere here. Good. So this is the image I want to use. So you can actually place the image here. You can use it a little bit. Place it here. Good. So we're going to place it at the middle. Good. We are not removing background here, but we're going to do a little bit something here. So the next thing you have to do now is to bring out your shape. Increase the no, don't increase the radius. So make sure you cover here. Then place it here. Then you reduce the opacity. Then you go to your stroke, you increase the stroke opacity, then you give it color. So you're going to bring out the color from this background. So this is the color you're going to use for it. Good, that is the color picker. So let's check if it's okay. Good, can you see it? So the next thing you're going to do again, duplicate this one, then you move it down here. Good. So the next thing we have to do now again is to bring out a shape again. The same shape, then you do it like this. Good. So you give it the same color. So let's check. So it is now. I need to still drag it down a little bit. Also this one up a little bit. So let's check. So good. So you can actually position it to go up a little bit so that it will be aligned. Can you see it? So the next thing now is to bring out this shape. So you bring out the shape, you can actually bring out this. Good. Then you have to rotate it. Then you decrease it. Then you place it here. Good. So the next thing you have to do now, you can actually lock all this so you won't waste your energy moving something and putting it back. So I have to bring out another thing, and so this is the thing I'll be bringing out. This, so I will place this one around here. Good. You can actually lock it again. So the next thing I'll write here, I'll write my happy birthday. So I'm going to write happy first. So I'm going to put it here. Happy. Then you're going to give it another font. I like stylish fonts for my happy birthday stuff. So I'm not going to give it, I'm going to do something. Okay, so let's give it Austin. This. So let's use Austin for it. So we're going to increase it a little bit. Then you click it, duplicate it, also the birthday. The happy. Then you write your birthday also. So that's how you already duplicate it. So the next thing now is to roll out a shape again. Then make it small. like this. Actually drag it down here. Good. Still reduce it. Good. So you can position the shape to go up a little bit. So I want to write from Noble Creative. From Noble Creative. So I'm going to place it. I'm going to place it here. You can actually leave the font, but I won't be using this from Noble Creative like this. You have to go to your opacity, then reduce the Noble Creative opacity. Good. So it's okay like this. So the next thing I'm going to do, so let me make it my website. It seems I'm making my website link so people can visit my website noblecreative.net. Try to create it a little bit. Good. So the next thing I have to do right now is to write my 30th April. It's the font I'm looking for. 30th April. So write your 30th. 30th. So you place it here. So you give it a font, but don't give it stylish font, give it a normal font. So I'm going to be giving it, so let me find a font for it. You can actually use popping. So there is popping black, popping regular. So I'm going to give it popping regular. Good. So I'm not going to use it like this. I'm going to reduce the opacity so as to give it style. So the next thing, right? You click on the RP, you duplicate it, then you write your April. So that is 30 April. Although this one should be up, there's something I brought out here. Let's leave it like this. Good. So the next thing I can bring out here right now. So the next I'm going to bring out a sticker. So let's see where I can actually place the sticker. So I'm going to get rid this this blue sticker. So let me check. Well, good. No, sticker cannot stay there. So let me use this one. Good. So this one can actually stay here. Good. So you can actually save your work now as save as image PNG very high. Then you can save it as project also. Good. So this is how to design a simple flyer also. So I wish you best of luck in everything you design. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment for others to see. Then you can actually comment on a like or project you would like me to teach you in the next design. Thank you. I love you. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.